Lesson number 4.5. Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. A. A letter of thanks. Home for Aged, East Street, Girgaon 4, 10th January 2018. 2. The Principal, New Vision High School, off Main Street, Girgaon 1. Dear Miss Ambekar, it was the first time that school children had come to help at our Home for Aged on 5th January, and I am glad to inform you that their visit was a great success. The children carried out all the tasks we had planned for them. They did them willingly and obediently. And of course, our residents enjoyed the storytelling sessions quite as much as the students did. In fact, we were wondering whether we could have a few of your students visiting us every month. You can imagine how much our residents enjoyed having young visitors. It brightened up the whole week for them. And I must admit that the helping hands really lightened some of our work. With warm regards, yours sincerely, Kiran Somalwar, Secretary, Home for the Aged. B. Giving thanks personally. In the Principal's office. Principal. Yes, Mr. Bendre, you wanted to see me about something? Mr. Bendre. Yes, ma'am. I have come to say how much we appreciate the good work that the school is doing under SEHH. Oh, thank you. Our teachers will keep on the program because they were sure that it would help the children. Mr. Bendre. And I can tell you that it has really made a difference. My son and his cousin both study in the school. I have been following their activities throughout the year. I am really impressed with the changes in their thinking and even their behavior. Principal. I am glad you feel that way. Mr. Bendre. I think the parents will all thank you for paying attention to this aspect of personality development. I want to congratulate you specially at the next Parent-Teacher Association meeting. Principal. Thank you so much.